In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up messages on Samsung phone. To begin, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It usually looks like a gear. Once you tap on it, you'll see a list of options that let you customize your phone to your liking. This is an essential first step because accessing the Settings app allows you to make adjustments to how your messaging system functions. You will notice a clean layout with various categories. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming. You're in the right place. Next, tap on Apps. This option will take you to a screen where you'll see all the applications installed on your device. The Apps section is vital because it controls all the permissions and defaults for your applications. Here, you can manage everything from notifications to app settings. Look for the Apps option, and when you tap it, you will be directed to a list that shows each app installed on your phone. It's quite straightforward, and you will feel accomplished as you move through these settings. From there, tap on Choose Default Apps. This is a crucial step because it allows you to specify which apps you want to use for various tasks on your phone, including messaging. Default apps are those that automatically open for certain actions like sending texts or browsing the web. When you select this option, you will see a list of categories for default apps. You can adjust these settings to suit your preferences, which is a great way to personalize your phone experience. Now tap on SMS app. This is where you can decide which messaging application you want to use for sending and receiving text messages. By choosing the SMS app, you ensure that your messages are sent through the app of your choice. It's a small but important step in making sure your communication is efficient and effective. Once you tap on SMS app, you will see your options so you can move forward with confidence. Next up, select either Google Messages or Samsung Messages. Both options are excellent, but your choice may depend on your personal preference. Google Messages offers a clean interface and integrates well with Google services. On the other hand, Samsung Messages is designed specifically for Samsung devices and may have features tailored to your device. Once you make your selection, the change will take effect immediately. This means your phone is now set up to use the messaging app you prefer, ensuring you can communicate effortlessly. With that ready, you have successfully set up your messaging app on your Samsung phone. This process not only helps in managing your messaging, but also enhances your overall smartphone experience. You have taken control of your communication tools, which is essential for staying connected in today's fast-paced world. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. You now know how to set your default messaging app on a Samsung phone. Enjoy your newly customized messaging experience. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy messaging!